See, this lane did it the whole time in practice. If you didn't watch the tournament, the league matches,
For you?
It's really helped.
All 2 shots.
Yeah.
That's a really good shot. That came off his hand so nice.
so
Good shot, Rich.
All right, Nick, take it.
There we go, Dick. Is this the one he's going to scream at them? Or
Yeah,
I don't know.
Good weekend.
Oh, big whip.
Be nice.
Hit it.
Hit it. Tag it. All right.
Ah.
That way. All right, hi, baby.
That print. Ew, there we go. Double coverage. Ah, come on now. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Come on. Push, push, push. Tuck.
Great pitch.
Nice shot. Good shot, right? Different ball. No! Don't do that.
Daddy.
Use them. Good shot. Good move.
Yeah. Out of way. Good shot.
There we go, Beach.
410.
Tuck.
Go a lot.
Oh, baby. Come on now. All right, come on. Push. Yo, big dog.
Yes, sir.
All right. Sit there. All right. That's a good one here. Push. Yo, 5'7". Come on now. I got you.
Let's go.
All right, come on now, boys. Come on. Come on. That's really good. All right. Boring. That's good. That's really good. Hey, really good shot, Barn. That's good. There you go. I should have stretched last night and I just laid in bed today. Push.
Get off it. Go. Wheel.
I missed. Good shot.
Come on.
Come on now.
Yeah.
Timing.
Yeah. 2.
All right.
Take your time, Cerner. It's right there.
All right. Good shot.
Be a quitter.
He might not have known that there was one field. And I saw your ball go dead straight, and I saw you go.
Yeah, I feel like we.
Okay, we'll do that. No ball on the left leg.
That's a lot. I watched Nick's ball run over the 8 pin a couple times, and he's like, "Oh, just whatever they want to do."
Yeah, Daddy.
That looks like a real motion right there. All right.
All right.
Push. All ball on the left lane. I'm like, you
Right.
You can only figure out one of the lanes. You can't just make like a small move and figure out both. We're some weird ones. Us bowlers, I'll tell you. Oh God. Oh God. Wow, that was good. Golly. Lanes. All right, come on. Come on now. Damn. Push. Oh! The toe tap. Okay. That's pretty good.
No.
Damn, back-to-back 8 pins. That's tough.
Hey there. All right, Marsh. Come on.
Right here, Marsh.
Let's go.
It's a little better.
Great shot.
I got you.
Go.
I got you.
Carry. Hey, little boy.
Come on. I got you.
Good work. Yes, sir. Great work. Great work. Good work. Nice done.
Get the 5 out. Push, push, push. Dude, why? Bounce. All right.
All right, dude.
All right, run it down.
Right now, dude. 3.
2, 3.
All right. Yeah. My bad. I should trust you. Play there. Might be. It's done. Come on. All right, come on.
He moved a
That was
little.
a good shot.
Hook.
That's a hook.
It tried.
All right, dude. Good try. All right.
Tried.
Right now.
5. Good shot.
All right. All right. I'm not gonna need that again.
That was good.
Mark, over here.
1/4 of an inch of deflection. That might make you wrap it instead.
Quarter's locked.
All right. 1 for 8 so far.
You ready? Yeah! Oh, baby! Come on. Shot, Pablo. Yeah, there we go. All right, boys.
All right.
Come on, dude. All right, make the move, boys.
Yeah. Thanks, you. Why is this flag 3 times the size?
That would be a really cool idea. All right. Give it a front. Fair enough.
I know he scored later, but. Okay.
Come on.
All right. All right. Hey, Barney.
Carry. Come on, buddy.
Push. Like.
Yeah. Good shot.
That was real good. That was real good.
I missed that one.
Hey.
You sit down. Yeah. I thought anything. You can just roll off.
Hot shot, Marshall. Come on now.
Go forward. You right? No. Sorry, Mark.
Push. All right. Buddy. Give us a good one here. Pretty close.
Come on, Dick. Good one right here, Dick. Come on. Yes. Oh, yeah! All right, guys. Good job.
Nah, you're good.
Good job.
Hey, man. Keep the ball on. Good 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 ball on. Damn. All right.
Yeah, maybe not bowling like
Yeah? What's your name, man? What's your name?
well.
Yeah? Nice to meet you.
Yeah, Tuesday.
Here. Yeah. Here, stay right there. Stay right there. Turn around. Yeah, struggling.
Yeah.
There you go. Here.
I don't think so.
And I was like, my ball literally like got maybe to the arrows and it was already going right. I was like, Post-game interview. Won the first one, lost the second one. That second one, that right lane was just really tough. Barnes threw a decent shot that hooked a little early. He probably would say it wasn't his best, but it just hooked a little early. And then Marshall threw probably a shot that he would say was his best, and 7-10. So they go 9-9, and then throw a strike. So we don't really have a chance in the last shot. But won the first one, lost the second one. Can't complain. 6-2, definitely still leading. So still in first place in the PBA League. We got some good camaraderie. We got a good game plan every week. I feel like we're all bowling really well together. Whether we bowl well the week or not, I feel like during the league matches we bowl really well. So hopefully we can ride the wave. We're losing the roll-off stinks, but when we throw shots like that and you lose, it's a little easier to take it that rather than like you throw 3 horrible shots and then you lose. It's a lot easier when you throw some good ones and they just don't strike. So round 7 and 8 done. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for tuning in to the House Extras and the PBA League round 7 and 8.